Okay, very good morning to all of you. This is Vipul, and we are dealing with a first unit. We are done with the 3 units, unit 4, 5, 6. उसके बाद we switch it over to the discrete mathematics, and out of that, पहले unit में काम हो रहा है. So this is the first logic and predicates. In this, we are supposed to take a kind of introduction for some of the logic operators. So let's have a small kind of revision. We are good with the statement, negation, conjunction, is it? When we are dealing with the conjunction, we are dealing with and. If we are having two statements, P and Q, then the conjunction of P and Q will be labeled like this: P conjunction Q and. By that particular operator conjunction, if you look on the truth table for two statements P and Q, it's quite possible that we are dealing with the three different statements P, Q, and R. But if we are dealing with two statements P and Q just, and if we're looking for its conjunction truth table for both that value, then the truth table will look like this. It will have the value true in only single case if both the statement P and Q are true. In all the other cases, the truth value of that conjunction statement will always stand false, is it? After that, we had gone for the disjunction, a kind of similar with the conjunction. And that particular conjunction we were dealing with and. Now, in this particular operator, we are dealing with the word or, P or Q. So, if you look on the truth value, if you look on the truth table, in the last column, the truth value of the disjunction will be true in three cases. If one of them, from both the statement, if one of them is having truth value true, or if both the statements are true, then in this three cases, the truth value will be true, and in only single case, if both the statements are false, then and then the truth value of that disjunction statement will be false, is it? After that, we had gone for some of the examples related to that. In that last example, we were dealing with three statements even. No, the first, I don't think so. We are done with the seventh question, is it? Are we done with the seventh example? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Raj is saying no. No. Oh, okay. We are done. We are left with the seventh one, is it? So let's begin with this. So it will be a kind of revision for the last session even. So now, in this particular question, we are supposed to prepare the truth table for this compound statement. This is when we are dealing with more than one statement, and we are using some of the operator, whether it is conjunction, disjunction, negation, all that. Then the resultant statement will be known as a compound statement. So this is one of my compound statement, and I'm looking to identify the truth value of this compound statement. So first of all, we will be labeling the column. That's it. So as in the question, I can observe that we need to have three statements with us, P, Q, and R. Here we are supposed to do the negation of R. So let me label the columns like that. This is P, this is Q, this is R. So we need to have all the different possibilities for three statements. We are knowing the trick. We'll be using four true values, then four false values, F, then 2 times true, 2 times false, 2 true, false, false, and for the last, we'll be using the true and false alternatively. True, false, true, false, true, false. Earlier in the different subject, you were dealing with 1 and 0, 1 and 0, 1 stands for the true, 0 false, 0 stands for the false. It's fine. Now, these are the all different possibilities. 2 raised to 3 possibilities, that means total 8 possibilities are there. 2 raised to 3 because we are having 3 statements. All of them are having just 2 possibility, true or false. So as per the rule of multiplication, The total possibilities related to three statement will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So these are the 8 different possibilities we may have for 3 different statements when we are dealing with 3 statements. I'm labeling the 3 statements as P, Q, and R. Okay. Now, we need to have this particular, we are looking to have the truth value of this particular compound statement. So for that, I'm in need of a disjunction of P and Q. So let me go for disjunction of P and Q. When we are looking for the disjunction of P and Q, I'm just worried about both these columns. I will be just focusing on these 2 columns only. Okay. So true will leads to true. Disjunction means or. P or Q. Is it? P or Q means disjunction of P and Q. If one of them is true, if at least one of them is true, the truth value of that particular will be true, is it? And it will have the truth value false if both that statement stands false, is it? So true. Once again, it will be true. Then after true, false will give you true, false, true, false, and both this will stand for false because both these statements are having false value, is it? Now, once we are having this, let's try to identify the negation of R. Then we'll be looking for this conjunction of negation of R with Q. So let me go for negation of R. Negation of R will be totally opposite than the column of R. T F, it will be F T F T F T F T. Is it? This is what the negation of R is. Now I need to have the conjunction of negation of R with Q. Conjunction. Now I'm going to deal with the conjunction negation of R. Conjunction with Q. Negation of R. Conjunction with Q. That means I will be focusing on just 2 columns. Let me erase this. Let me erase this. I will be dealing with negation of R means this particular column. Negation of R, as well as I will be dealing with Q. That means this column. That's it. So focus on both this. Just try to have a truth value of negation of R with Q. That means negation of R and Q. And Q. What is it? Conjunction means and, disjunction means or. So we are clear in our mind that when we are going to have the truth value true, if both of them is having the value true, is it? Give me 1 minute. Yes. Okay. So let's try to have the truth value of this particular column. So we'll be focusing on the second and the fifth one. So the truth value of first is true, this is false. We may have the truth value true if both them are true, but one of them is false, so this will be false, this will be true because both these values are true. Is it? F. Now, I'm interested in this particular. What will be the case if F and F? What will be the case if both the statements are false?
False.
It will be false. Who's that? Who was that?
Nidhi.
Okay. Nidhi, be with me.
Yes, sir.
Be with me.
Yes, sir. False.
After that, false. Yes, please.
False. True. False. And false.
Good. So now once we are having this particular, Nidhi mute कर दे बेटा, मेरा ही voice आ रहा है वहां से पीछे से. Good. Now once we are having both this raw material with us, that one of them is this, other is that. Now we need to have the conjunction of both that. We need to have, now we are looking for that final compound statement. So I need to add one more column over there. That column will be, what is that? That column will be P disjunction Q conjunction with negation of R conjunction Q. Is it? So let's try to have both this. Add both this one as well as this one. Once again, we'll be just focusing on the conjunction. Conjunction T and F leads to F. It will be good if one of you will be with me. Who will help me for this? Mohammed, are you there? Mohammed? Are you there attending the session, Mohammed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, okay. False, true,
We are
false.
looking. We are dealing with this. Wait, we are dealing with this and this. Okay, we are looking to identify the conjunction of both of this. Yes, please go ahead. The third
False,
one.
false,
False.
false, false,
Wait, wait,
true,
wait.
true,
Yes, true.
false, false.
Is that? Thank you, Mohammed. So this is a way you can prepare a kind of truth table for one of the compound statement, whether we're using conjunction, disjunction, or negation. That is not the only case. We are having this many operator only, that is conjunction, disjunction, and negation. Yes, we are having some other operators also. Let me give you some of the other operators. That is, one of them is conditional statement. Conditional statement, that means when we are providing some of the condition, if P then Q, like this. If P then Q, then Q. We'll be labeling that like this. P implies Q, P single implies Q. Okay, so let's try to have the understanding for the conditional statement. That P and Q be the given two statements, then the conditional statement is denoted by P tends to Q, P single implies Q. You may read this as a P then Q, P then Q, P then Q. Okay, and for example, let's have two different statements, and then let's try to identify a conditional statement of both of them. Let me define P as a weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. If this is my one of the statement, Q, that I'm giving you the promise that I will take you to the beach. Q, I will take all of you to beach. P is the statement, the weather is sunny. Now, if we try to merge both them with the conditional statement like this, P then Q. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? कोई बताएगा मुझे? What will be the compound statement when I'm using this conditional statement between P and Q, where P is the statement, the weather is sunny, and Q is the statement which stands for the I will take you to beach. Okay, what will be the compound statement? Waiting for your answer, waiting for your answer. You may reply on the chat box, or you may unmute yourself and talk to me.
If the weather is sunny, then I will
Yes.
take you to the beach.
Okay. It sounds a kind of promise over there, is it? Is it, Raj?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा promise जैसा लग रहा है, देख. I promise you, if the weather is sunny, then I will take you towards the beach, is it? So, observe this. When we are dealing with a conditional statement, indirectly we are dealing with one of the promise, is it? I promise that is ये बोला नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं लिखा नहीं हुआ, but you need to understand that. If the weather is sunny, then I will take you to beach. ठीक है, तब हम बीच पे जाएंगे. अगर weather sunny रहा तो, is it? So there is a kind of promise from my side, from one of the end, is it? So if we try to look over the truth value of this particular conditional statement, then what do you think? What it should be? PQ, and next column will be P to Q. क्या लगता है आपको क्या होना चाहिए? सारी पॉसिबिलिटी दे दूं, TT, TF, FT, and last will be FF. चलिए, क्या लगता है आपको क्या होना चाहिए? इसकी ट्रूथ वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए? चल राज, तू ही रहे मेरे साथ, बात कर मुझसे बेटा. Raj, are you there? Unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
देख,
Sir, P false, P true. पहले true.
पहले देख इसको समझ ठीक से. TT मतलब कि वेदर भी सनी है और मैं तुझे बीच पे लेके भी जा रहा हूं, तो क्या हुआ?
हाँ, sir,
सही
true.
हुआ ना?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Is it? तो इसकी वैल्यू सही है. अगर वेदर सनी और मैं तुझे बीच पे नहीं लेके जा रहा हूं, इसका मतलब क्या है? सेकंड का वेदर इज सनी बट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग यू टुवर्ड्स द बीच. मैं तुझे बीच पे नहीं लेके जा रहा हूं, तो इस स्टेटमेंट की वैल्यू गलत हो गई. मेरा जो प्रॉमिस था वो गलत हो गया.
Yes,
it?
sir.
अब ये दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग.
ये भी false.
वेदर सनी नहीं है पर मैं तुझे बीच पे लेके जा रहा हूं. वेदर सनी नहीं है, वेदर इज नॉट सनी, बट आई एम टेकिंग यू टूवर्ड्स बीच. वहां पे लेके जा रहा हूं, वहां पे हम मजे कर रहे हैं. तो मैंने जो प्रॉमिस किया था वो तो फुलफिल हो रहा है. देख, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग. एफ टी विल गिव यू द वैल्यू ट्रू, क्योंकि जो प्रॉमिस था ना, आई विल टेक यू टू बीच, वन ऑफ द सी शोर, वो मैं फुलफिल कर रहा हूं, whether the P is correct or not. Is it? So this is interesting. अब ये वाला भी सोच ले. FF, this is also interesting, Raj.
हाँ सर, ये दोनों नहीं हो रहा है तो ये भी.
तो बात सही है कि कंपाउंड वाली बात, इसके लिए सोच, कंपाउंड वाली बात सही होगी नहीं होगी. देख, आपको मग आउट नहीं करना है. देखिए, हर एक बच्चे को आई विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू दैट प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू मग दिस टेबल, दैट टी एफ टी blah blah blah. Don't do that. Try to understand the logic, and then you may easily decide whether the truth value of that particular conditional statement will be true or false. तो बहुत ही आसान है. देखिए एक बार, if weather is not sunny, what does it mean? FF means weather sunny नहीं है, मैं तुझे बीच पे भी नहीं लेके जा रहा हूँ.
सर
तो
ट्रू
क्या?
है ना.
Yes, that is perfectly true. इस केस में ये true ही होगा. Is it? Its case में that compound statement, or I can say the conditional statement, will have the value true. क्योंकि मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है. वेदर इज नॉट सनी, वेदर ही ठीक नहीं है, तो मैं तुझे बीच पे नहीं लेके जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैंने प्रॉमिस तो यही किया था. अगर वेदर सनी होगा तो मैं तुझे लेके जाऊंगा किसी सी शोर पे, किसी दरिया किनारे, वरना नहीं लेके जाऊंगा. सो ऑब्जर्व दिस पर्टिकुलर टेबल. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, ऑब्जर्व दिस टेबल. लेट मी गिव यू प्रॉपर्ली. लेट मी रेस्ट दिस. Let me give you properly. Yes, go through this once go through this, and let me know in the chat box whether you are comfortable with this or not. All of you, all those, I'm having 52 students in front of me. I need reply of all 50 in the chat box whether we are good with this or not. This is not, you are not going to take this as a lightly. Okay, take care. I need reply from each and every. All those who are attending this are supposed to reply on the chat box. ध्यान में रखने वाली बात ये देखिए, सेकंड को मैंने रेड से, वेट, ओके, सेकंड को मैंने रेड से ऑब्जर्व, रेड से हाईलाइट किया. देखिए इसको, कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट की वैल्यू फॉल्स कब होती है? The first statement is true and second is false, then the truth value of that particular compound statement will be false. In all the other cases, the conditional statement will take value true. बाकी के हर एक केस में वो वैल्यू ट्रू ही लेगा. Is it? Good. So देखेंगे इसके भी एग्जांपल. रुक जाइए. Yes, go through this once. The statement P then Q, the statement Q then P is called the converse of P then Q. Is called the converse of P then Q. Converse अगर उसको पूछे, कोई आपसे पूछे what is the converse of P to Q? P then Q, इसका converse क्या है? Then it will be Q to P. Okay, Q to P. The statement negation of Q then negation of P is known as a contrapositive of P to Q. Is known as a contrapositive of P to Q. P then Q का contrapositive अगर कोई पूछ रहा है, then it is negation of Q, then negation of P. अगर वेदर सनी है तो हम बीच में जाएंगे, अगर वेदर सनी नहीं है तो बीच पे नहीं जाएंगे. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर वेदर इज, आई विल नॉट गोना टेक यू टुवर्ड्स बीच इफ वेदर इज नॉट सनी. Is that? If weather is not sunny. And the statement negation of P then negation of Q is called the inverse. तो देखिए यहाँ पे तीन अलग लॉजिक है. Give me 1 minute, just go through it. I need to attend one call. We're good with this? This we need to remember what we mean by contrapositive, what we mean by inverse, and what we mean by the converse of the conditional statement, is it? There will be need of this further. Now, once we are good with the conditional statement, let me take you towards the biconditional statement. Biconditional statement. Now, earlier in the conditional statement, we were dealing with the condition if, then. Now, in the biconditional statement, we'll be dealing with the condition if and only if. If and only if. If and only if, that means I'll be dealing with the double implies. Earlier in the conditional statement, the notation was like that. If P, then Q. Now, in the biconditional statement, we'll be using this notation. P, if and only Q. So, if and only if wali condition yahan pe aayegi. So, that is the reason it is known as a biconditional statement. It works from both the ends. If P then Q, if Q then P, is it? Earlier we were having just the single implies over there. If P then Q. So, let's look at the biconditional statement. If P and Q are be the given two statements, then the biconditional statement is given by P if and only if Q, like this, double implies, P double implies Q. And the similar example, let's deal with the similar example. The weather is sunny, and I'm gonna take you towards the beach. That I'll take you to beach. Yes. If you look at the biconditional statement of that, then the weather, if weather is sunny, if and only if, I will take you to beach. Okay. Now, this statement is applied from both the sides. I will take you towards the seesaw, then the weather must be sunny. And if the weather is sunny, then I'm supposed to take you towards that particular one of the destination, which is fixed, is it? So when we are having the condition from both the ends, is it? If and only if condition, then such compound statement is known as a biconditional statement. Now, who will help me to prepare the truth table for two statements P and Q, and we are looking for the compound statement, which is biconditional statement for P and Q. I'm in need of one of the person. First of all, let me have all the possibility TT, TF, FT, and FF. Yes, Meghna, are you there? Meghna? Are you there attending this lecture or not? Meghna? If you are there, then unmute yourself, dear. Bharti Sinha? Bharti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you help me for this? What will be the truth value of this biconditional statement? P if and only if Q.
So,
Bharti?
true.
True. थोड़ा सोच, इन दोनों स्टेटमेंट को दिमाग में रख के सोच. P मतलब true क्या है, weather is sunny, and Q मतलब कि I'm gonna take you towards the seashore, then weather is sunny, if and only if I'm going to take you towards the beach. True होगा, ठीक है. दूसरे में क्या होगा?
Yes, sir. So
Weather
it
is sunny
will
and I'm
be
not.
false.
Weather is sunny and I'm not taking you guys to beach, then as per you it will be false. यहाँ पे क्या लगता है यहाँ पे?
So it would be false.
Okay, as per Bharti, she's saying it will stand false. Okay, what about the last Bharti?
It would be true, sir.
It would be true. So these are the answer from Bharti. कोई और है जो इसको अपडेट करना चाहेगा कुछ? How many of you agree with Bharti? How many of you agree with Bharti? You need to reply on the chat box even. देखिए YouTube वाला लेक्चर नहीं चल रहा है, ठीक है, कि भैया मैं बोलता जाऊं आपको सिर्फ सुनना है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. दिस इज ऑनलाइन सेशन, सो यू नीड टू रिप्लाई. Almost many of you agree with Bharti. Is it? Let me show you the correct one. Yes, Bharti is correct. It will have the value true if both these are true or both these are false. In both these cases, the truth value of that particular biconditional statement will be true. Okay? So you need to have this difference between biconditional statement and conditional statement. If you look for the conditional statement, then the value of the compound statement, or I can say conditional statement, is false if the second condition, if the second statement is false. In all the other cases, the conditional statement was taking value true. Now, if we talk about the biconditional statement, then it will take value false if one of them is false. If one of them is false. So observe this, observe this. If one of them is false, then the biconditional statement will have the value false. Is it? So are we good to move ahead? Are we good to move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we are going to discuss about the tautology, then after contingency, then after contradiction. ये तीन बात अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Tautology, contradiction, and contingency. ठीक है. Now, what is tautology? When I can say that one of the compound statement is tautology. Tautology मतलब वो हर बार सही होना चाहिए. It must have the value true in any of the cases, in any of the possibility. If in any of the possibility, the truth value of the compound statement is true, then that compound statement we are going to label as tautology. Like this. Wait, if I'm dealing with a single statement P and negation of P, if I'm looking for disjunction of P and negation of P, तो क्या लगता है आपको? या तो P सही होगा या तो उसका नेगेशन सही होगा. हर एक बार ये सही होगा. Is it? इसकी वैल्यू ट्रू है या फिर इसकी वैल्यू फॉल्स है. अगर ये ट्रू है तो ये फॉल्स है, अगर ये फॉल्स है तो ये ट्रू है. एंड इफ यू लुक फॉर its disjunction, then in any of the case, if one of them is true, that value is true. Is it? So this is what I'm saying. The tautology is one of the compound statement. Tautology है क्या? What is tautology? This is one of the compound statement कि जिसकी value, compound statement, the value of which is always true in any of the case. In any of the case. Let me give you the definition properly. A compound statement, tautology is compound statement is always true no matter what the true value of the given statement involves in that particular. उस compound statement में कौन कौन से statement involved है, irrespective of that, उसकी value always सही है, then such compound statement is known as a tautology. Let me show you the compound statement. Yes, इसकी अभी हमने बात की. P or negation of P. P या फिर negation of P. It is always a tautology. It is always a tautology. Observe. If I'm dealing with a single statement P, तो दो ही possibility होगी, P and F, and I need to have its conjunction. Sorry, yeah, I need to have its negation of P. If P is true, then negation of P will be false. Agar false, so true. Now, if we look for the conjunction of both this, disjunction of both this, sorry, इन दोनों का distinction देखिए, it is always true. TF में भी T आएगा, FT में भी T आएगा. So, if we think about, if we'll observe the truth value of this compound statement, it is true in all the cases. So, we may conclude this compound statement is tautology. Universal truth, I can say. It is universal truth in any of the cases. Let me give you some of the other. But before that, let's have a totally opposite condition than that, totally opposite situation than this. If all the truth values are true for the one of the compound statement, then that compound statement is tautology. The exactly opposite definition of this, if all the possible truth value of one of the compound statement is false in any of the case, then that compound statement will be known as a contradiction. उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Then that statement will be known as a contradiction. कैसे? जैसे कि आप सोच सकते हो कुछ एक बात. First of all, let's go for its definition. A compound statement is known as contradiction. It's always false. That compound statement is always false, no matter what the truth value of the given statement involves in. उसमें जो भी statement involve करे उसकी truth value क्या है? Forget about that. But it always has the truth value false. Then it is known as that compound statement is known as a contradiction. For example, P and negation of P. P and negation of P. Negation of P मतलब P conjunction. P and conjunction of P. If we look to prepare the truth table of this statement, अब देखिए statement, ये compound statement है ना? This is one of the compound statement. क्यों भाई? क्योंकि इसमें एक से ज्यादा statement मैंने involve किए, उसमें कोई एक logical operate मैंने involve किया हुआ है. So if we try to generate, if I'm trying to find the truth table of this compound statement, जिसमें कि एक ही statement है, so possibility दो ही रहेगी TF. अगर ये T है तो then the negation of P will be false. अगर ये false है तो negation of P will be true. Now try to identify the compound statement like this: conjunction of P and negation of P. इन दोनों में से कोई एक false मतलब कि ये false, इन दोनों में से कोई एक false मतलब ये false. देखिए पूरी लास्ट वाली रो है, वो पूरी लास्ट वाली कॉलम है, वो false है. Is it? अगर ऐसा किसी स्टेटमेंट के लिए हो रहा है, कोई एक कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट के लिए सारी वैल्यूज false आ रही है, सारी वैल्यू irrespective of any of the truth value over here, then that statement is known as a contradiction. तो उसको contradiction बोलेंगे. सारी true आ रही है तो उसको tautology, सारी false आ रही है तो उसको contradiction. Are we good? Are we clear? बताइए, definition समझ में आ रही है? पहले तो ये बताइए. Give me 2 minutes. मैं पानी पी लूं. जस्ट आपको चैट बॉक्स में डालना है. कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन और टाउटोलॉजी दोनों का मतलब समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? ड्रॉप योर कमेंट ऑन द चैट बॉक्स. जस्ट पानी पी रहा हूं 2 मिनट के लिए. सभी ने रिप्लाई किया? नहीं किया? ऑलमोस्ट काफी लोगों ने रिप्लाई किया. गुड. अब ये सोचिए, just think for the situation, if some of the values are true, some of the values are false, then उसको क्या बोलेंगे? If all the values are true, then we are going to label that compound statement as a tautology. If all the values are false, then we are going to label that compound statement as a contradiction. But if some of them are going to consume the value true, some of them will have the value false, then we'll be labeling that as a contingency. Go through it. A compound statement which is neither tautology nor contradiction is known as a contingency. Is that contingency? So these are the 3 special types of the compound statement: tautology, contradiction, and contingency. सारे true, tautology, सारे false, तो contradiction. थोड़े बहुत true, थोड़े बहुत false. Is it? If it is a mixture of true and false, then that compound statement we may label them as a contingency. Are we good? Once again, I need a reply. ये तीनों word: tautology, contradiction, contingency. Are we good with this? Very good. So let's try to identify whether some of the statement which I am giving you are supposed to identify whether they are going to act as a tautology or not. So this is the first one you need to check. I'm giving you 3 minutes, all of you. This is one of the compound statement. It involves only two statement P and Q. So it is a biconditional statement with the disjunction of P and Q with conjunction of P and Q. So your columns will be like this. Your columns will be in this order: P, then after Q, then after disjunction, then after conjunction of both that, then biconditional statement between both this, biconditional between both this, P or Q, then P and Q. You need to check whether this last column, what will be the truth value of the last column. अगर इसमें सारे true आ रहे, then this compound statement will be known as a tautology. If सारे false आ रहे, then that compound statement will be known as a contradiction. अगर थोड़े true, थोड़े false आ रहे, it is a kind of mixture, then we will be labeling that as a contingency. So I'm giving you 3 minutes. Try to identify whether this particular compound statement is tautology or not. Quickly, all of you are supposed to do that. Use your pen and paper. Use your pen and paper. सिर्फ रफ वर्क ही करनी है, छोटा सा. जल्दी से बताओ. Take your time. But all of you must be doing this. You may reply on chat box even. Okay. Okay. Divya is saying it is contingency. Okay. First reply is from Divya. He is saying it is contingency. That means we must have some of the value as a true and some of the values as a false. It will be kind of mixture of true and false in the last column for the Divya. I'm waiting for reply from all of you: Muhammad, Meghna, Rishabh, Arjun, Dipen, Nidhi. All of you. Nidhi is saying it is contingency. Nidhi is yet saying it is contingency. Nidhi, थोड़ा ध्यान से देख ले. You need to use biconditional statement. Okay. What is this? This is biconditional. Take care. Sorry. Conditional statement. If P and Q, then if P or Q, then P and Q. So उसको भी ध्यान में रखना है. I'm not saying your answer is wrong, but take care for that. Rishabh, what is your option? Will prefer it as a tautology, contradiction, or by contingency? No, sir, it is not tautology. Someone is saying. ठीक है, चलो काफी सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये टाउटोलॉजी नहीं है. चलिए देखते हैं एक बार. ठीक है, मोहम्मद. When we try to prepare the truth table for this particular, first of all, we will be taking all the possibilities. As I said that in a conditional, in a compound statement, we are having just two. We have just used two statements, so there will be two possibilities. So that means I need to prepare 4 columns, 4 rows only: TT, TF, FT, and FF. Is it? So these are just 4 different possibilities for 2 statements. Now, first of all, let's try to identify P distinction Q. We know that P distinction Q is always true if one of them is true. At least one of them is true. If both of them is true, it's true. It's true, and false. When both of them are false, the distinction is always false. And when we look for the its conjunction between P and Q, we know that it will be true if and only if both that statements are having the truth value true. Is it? So for the first case, true will gives you the value true, and all the other cases the values will be false. Good. Now we are supposed to go for this. We are supposed to operate. We are supposed to apply the conditional statement for both these columns. Conditional statement for both this column. And conditional statement क्या था? याद कीजिए. A, if A then B. If A then B. If A then B. That means if A is true, B is true, then it will be always true. So true will gives us the value true. True F surely this will leads to F. Associate this as a weather is sunny, I'm not taking you towards the seashore, so ये तो गलत हो गया. As per my promise, I need to take you for the seashore, so yes, the truth value of this is false. So यहाँ से conclude हो गया, it is a mixture of true and false, so it will not gonna act as a tautology. But let's try to identify as a similar case. TFF leads to F. FF will leads to true, but it is a kind of mixture of true and false. So ये tautology नहीं है. This is not tautology. Even this is not the contradiction. ये contradiction भी नहीं है. Is it? Because if all the values are true, then it is tautology. If all the values are false, then it will be contradiction. But if it is a mixture of true and false, then it will be known as a contingency. Is it? So this is not going to act as a tautology. Check this one. Check this one. Quickly. Once again, repeat the similar kind of process. Once again, we are dealing with just two statements, P and Q. Now here, there is two conditional statement and one of the biconditional statement is also there. So you must be good with the conditional statement as well as biconditional statement, negation. So once again, the order of your columns will be like that. First of all, you will prepare P, then after Q, then after negation of P, negation of Q, then after ये order आप change कर सकते, it's totally fine. P implies Q, then after negation of Q implies negation of P, and last, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and last we need to have the biconditional over there. So biconditional between P then Q, and negation of Q, then negation of P. Let's try to identify whether this is going to act as a tautology or not. I'm giving you 3 minutes quickly. It will take at least 2 to 3 minutes. Take your time. I'm waiting. You need to check whether this particular condition, this particular compound statement is going to act as a tautology. क्या ये tautology है या contradiction है या contingency? Okay, take your time. Use your pen and paper. Tautology है या फिर contradiction है या फिर contingency है? Is it? You need to judge from this too. Quickly. Guys, I lost my connection from the PC. Let me know whether that is tautology or not. Am I audible now? I lost my connection from the PC. So let me know whether I'm audible or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
You're
what-
audible.
What was the conclusion for that? It was tautology. It was tautology, is it? Let me show you. Let me show you. Once again, I'm here. Not fourth one. We were dealing with the third one. Yes. So yes, it is tautology. Is it? So guys, we are done with the session. We are done with today's session. Let me stop the recording.